Hi guys, good morning. Alright, it's a beautiful Saturday morning and I think it's gonna be sunny today. Like right now I'm just on my way going to church. I just want to go for cleaning. It's been ages, it's been years I went for cleaning, but today I just feel like let me just leave the house, go out to clean the house of the Lord. I just feel like doing that today, so that's why I'm on my way. And also after that I would be going to the mechanic to service my car, alright, because it's due for servicing. Yeah, and I think I'm gonna be meeting my dad there in the church, most definitely, because my dad he's so dedicated in church activity, church cleaning and all of that. So we're gonna probably be going to the mechanic together to service the car, because I've actually not like taken the car to mechanic before for servicing. Well, I'm not saying that the car has not been serviced before, it has, but not me. But today it's gonna be me, because I have to like service the car. The car is telling me that the maintenance is required, so I'm just on my way heading to church. And well, we're gonna be chatting like very soon, vlogging things and all of that. So guys, I'll be talking to you guys later. Alright guys, so I'm here and going inside now. Let's go.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Alright, so and
And
let's go clean the house of the Lord. I'll be talking to you guys later. Good morning and happy Sunday, guys. Alright, so today's Sunday and I'm heading to church. Like, trust me, today I didn't want to be late at all, so I woke up very early. I woke up 7 and did some house chores and prayed and all of that. So I don't know if it's my makeup that made me late, because it's 10 minutes to 9 now and I don't want to be late. I honestly don't want to be late. In fact, I don't even want to be late anymore going to church. It's honestly very, very bad. What if I have a meeting, I'll be rushing because I want to meet up on time. I mean, let me just go early to church and worship God, who is the maker of everything, the maker of you and I and all of that. So well, I'm really kind of feeling deep joy, deep happiness in me right now, and I am super grateful to Heavenly Father, alright, for making me feel this way. Like I don't even know how to explain it anyways, but I am happy. I am more happier. Anyway, so I'll talk to you guys later. Let me rush because I am really rushing. Like in this place, I'm going more than 50, more than 8. That's fast. So let me go. I'll be back soon, very soon, guys. How is my makeup? And anyway, I can't ask you guys how do I look, because you obviously do not know how I look from my hair to my toe. So I'm gonna be showing you guys maybe later. So for now, we're done. I'm done in church today, and it's been a lot of messages, lots of inspirational talks, music, all of that. Just so exciting and interesting. So I want to, just like I said, I want to show you guys, you know, what I'm putting on and how I am.
Where Tosi and Patricia? Sister Tosi and Sister Patricia and Sister.
They are coming, Sister Patricia and leave each other side. Sister Tosi is still inside there.
Thank you.
On your list.
Alright, so we're gonna be talking.
This one cute guy, she's crushing me, but she just don't want to come out and say it. Why? I don't know.
That's what I'm talking.
Nobody has a problem with our country.
Now they tell her, this
You like somebody who not come.
If she not for that, she don't
You
respect.
start complaining. I'm out of here.
Okay, no problem. Alright guys, so we'll be talking to you guys later. We're actually having something to dance. Practice on dancing. So